You're standing in front of your wardrobe, a sea of clothes, yet nothing feels right. Hangers groan under forgotten favorites and impulse buys. The clock is ticking and panic rises as you toss another outfit onto the bed. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a daily confidence drain. Why does everything feel wrong? Why can't I look like that girl on Instagram? The pressure to present yourself perfectly is universal. Girls everywhere face this same struggle. It's not about quantity, but knowing how to put things together. The gap between your style vision and your reality turns getting dressed into a battle. But what if this crisis could become a creative opportunity? The solution isn't a new wardrobe, it's learning a new style language. Let's decode the secrets of great style for 2026 and turn that morning panic into personal power. First impressions happen in seconds. Your outfit speaks before you do. Clothes are your personal billboard, broadcasting who you are and how you feel. It's not about being judged, but about owning your narrative from the start. A well-chosen outfit boosts your confidence and changes how you interact with the world. Style is nonverbal communication, a universal language. The right outfit can be your armor or your joy, empowering you for the day ahead. It's not about trends, but about self-expression and authenticity. By mastering a few key principles, you can make your wardrobe work for you. We're about to dive into the new styling rules for 2026. Guidelines to make getting dressed easy and impactful. Learn to anchor your look. Balance proportions, play with color, and mix textures. By the end, you'll transform your daily crisis into a daily triumph. Every great outfit starts with an anchor piece, the star that sets the tone. It's the lead singer, everything else supports it. Choosing your anchor simplifies the process and gives your look direction. An anchor piece is anything with strong visual presence, a bold blazer, vibrant trousers, or statement jewelry. For 2026, think oversized trench coats, metallic pants, or a sculptural bag. Example, pick a cobalt blue blazer as your anchor. Instantly, you know to keep the rest simple. Black trousers, white tee, or start with wide-leg printed trousers and add a fitted knit and delicate jewelry. The anchor asks the question, the rest of your outfit answers. This single decision elevates your look from random to curated. It's what makes people notice and remember your style. No more throwing on random pieces. Curate, don't just dress. The anchor piece is the foundation of every memorable style moment. Start with one standout item and let it guide your choices. This is the first step to intentional, effortless chic. Make your anchor your North Star. After your anchor, it's all about balance, mastering proportions and silhouettes. Think of it as a visual seesaw balance volume with tailoring. Voluminous top? Pair with fitted bottoms. Wide leg pants? Go for a slim or cropped top. This contrast creates a flattering, intentional shape. Designers use this trick on runways. Big shoulders with pencil skirts, flowing skirts with tiny tops. Even in real life, it's about creating harmony, not following a rigid formula. Volume on volume can work. Just define your shape with a belt or mix fabric textures. The goal? Sculpt your look, not drown in it. Proportion is your secret weapon for dynamic, sophisticated outfits. Play with shapes, but always keep balance in mind. It's not about rules, but about conscious choices. Understanding proportion gives you creative control. Shape your style with intention. Color is powerful, but it starts with a neutral canvas. Black, white, gray, navy, beige. These basics are timeless and versatile, forming the backbone of your wardrobe. Once your canvas is set, add accent colors for impact. 2026's palette: earthy terracotta, olive, chocolate, plus digital brights like digital lavender, apricot crush, and cerulean blue. Use these shades in small, deliberate doses: a scarf, a bag, a camisole. A black suit comes alive with a terracotta top. Gray basics pop with the cerulean bag. This approach is sustainable. Invest in neutrals. Update with a few trendy accents. No need for a whole new wardrobe each season. Accent pieces keep your look fresh and personal. Play with color to modernize your style, not overwhelm it. Let your neutrals ground you, and your accents express you. This method is smart, versatile, and budget-friendly. Stay current without chasing every trend. Make color your signature, not your stress. Great style isn't just visual, it's tactile. Mixing textures adds depth and interest, even in a single color outfit. Pair matte leather with soft cashmere, shiny patent with rough linen. Contrast is key, hard with soft, shiny with matte. Try a silk slip under a chunky knit, or denim with lace. 2026 brings sustainable innovations, recycled plastics, Pinatex, mushroom leather. These materials look modern and reflect your values. High-tech fabrics, wrinkle-resistant, temperature-regulating, blend comfort with style. Mix performance pieces with classics for a contemporary edge. Texture is your shortcut to a sophisticated, memorable look. Accessories are the punctuation of your style story. They transform basics into statements and let your personality shine. Build your collection over time. Choose pieces that speak to you. A statement necklace, a stack of travel bracelets, or a silk scarf can redefine any look. 2026 trends: bold sculptural jewelry or delicate layered pieces. Just don't overdo it. Global street style shows accessories are never an afterthought. Paris: a silk scarf and red lipstick. Tokyo: playful socks and bags. Milan: quiet luxury. Minimalist: one silver cuff. Maximalist: oversized earrings. Vintage lover: a unique belt buckle. Your bag, sunglasses, or hat. These details complete your narrative. Accessories are what people remember. Make them count. Here's the secret: a two-part hack for instant polish. First, the Parisian tuck. Tuck just the front of your shirt for shape and effortless cool. It defines your waist, adds interest, and works with almost any top. Perfect for oversized shirts and sweaters. Just a quick tuck transforms your silhouette. Second, the tech shirt. Classic style meets high-performance fabric. Wrinkle-resistant, moisture-wicking, and comfortable all day. Looks crisp, feels like activewear. Ideal for busy days. Pair with jeans, do the half tuck, roll the sleeves. Effortless chic. This combo is the ultimate shortcut to looking put together. Style and comfort, no compromise. We've tackled the wardrobe crisis, decoded first impressions, and mastered the art of building an aesthetic outfit for 2026. Start with an anchor piece, balance proportions, and use color and texture to express yourself. Accessories and smart styling tricks complete your look. Remember, these are tools, not rules. Fashion is storytelling. Each outfit is a chance to share your mood and identity. Embrace dressing as creative play and self-care. Some days you'll nail it, some days you won't, and that's okay. The most stylish people know what makes them feel good and build on that. Next time you face your closet, see possibilities, not problems. Pick your anchor, build your story, and add your finishing touches. Turn crisis into creation. The most aesthetic outfit is the one that tells your unique story with confidence and joy. Now go and get dressed. As you step into your own style journey, remember, fashion is a global language. Around the world, girls are redefining what it means to dress with intention and flair. In Seoul, oversized blazers meet pastel sneakers for a blend of structure and playfulness. In Lagos, bold patterns and vibrant head wraps tell stories of heritage and innovation. Parisian girls mix vintage treasures with modern tailoring, while in São Paulo, streetwear merges with tropical prints for an urban cool vibe. No matter where you are, the 2026 Style Guide is about connection between your roots, your dreams, and the wider world. Draw inspiration from everywhere, but make it yours. Maybe you'll borrow the confidence of Tokyo's layered looks, or the ease of Cape Town's sun-soaked palettes. Each culture offers a new twist, a fresh idea, a reminder that aesthetic outfits are as diverse as the girls who wear them. So, try something new. Mix a global piece into your next outfit. An embroidered bag, a statement earring, a scarf with a story. Let your style travel, even if you're staying home. Because dressing up isn't just about looking good. It's about celebrating who you are, where you come from, and where you're going. Wherever your journey takes you, may your outfits be a passport to self-expression and joy. Thank you for joining us on this global style journey. If you crave fresh inspiration, trend updates, and practical tips to express your unique style or make smarter shopping choices, you're in the right place. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fashion moment. Stay stylish, and see you in the next video.